magic lights all over town. Families gather, hearts are near. The most beautiful time of the year. Cookies baking, laughter flows. The fire warms as the cold wind blows. Every smile, every song feels like love's been here all along.
Love you, Max.
It's time for Christmas, let the bells ring out. Time for joy, for love, no doubt. Wrap your dreams in red and gold, let your heart be warm, not cold. It's time for Christmas, sing it loud and clear. And twinkling lights bright, tiny divas dancing in this magical season. Fills the air tonight, bells in our hair and joy in our hearts. Baby, it's Christmas, let the fun start. Through the snowy streets we'll dance and play. Tiny divas singing in a festive way. And Santa is coming, and love is on the run. We don't care about presents, we just wanna have fun. Listen to snowman, candy cane dreams. Tiny divas rockin', making everything clear. In our holidays, let the rhythm flow. We're the stars of Christmas, putting on a show.
Yeah, I got to run.
Through the snowy streets we'll dance and play. Tiny divas singing in a festive way. And Santa is coming, and love is on the run. We don't care about presents, we just wanna have fun. Through the snowy streets we'll dance and play. Tiny divas
but 24. Mary.
Let's go back.
Okay, now. Watch me what we are doing.
Very nice.
So I just want to say a very big thank you to all of you for always coming to class and for allowing your teachers to help you improve your life and your studies. If you stay at home, you don't learn, right? And you know that when you come to class, you don't just learn how to read, you don't just learn how to write, how to talk, but you also learn many other things. Your teachers always organize a lot of talks, a lot of workshops for all of you, right? Yes. A lot of activities.
Yeah.
They also take you out. If you don't come to class, you don't get all this opportunity. You don't get this chance to do all this. So I want you all to help me thank your teachers. Thank and your participation support officer. And then you have Clinton there. Yeah, they are all here to help you improve your life. So thank you for giving them the chance to do it. We thank you them so much. But we also want to thank you.
Thank you.
Without you, this is not possible. Okay? And as you know, how we're helping you. If you have friends outside, family outside, who you think we can help as well, ask them to come here. You can tell them to come and see Clinton, come and see me, and we will register for them. It's free and it makes a difference to your life. So if you have family or friends who you think can come and study, who will benefit from this, come and see us. We can help your friends as well. they can come and register. Yeah, we have a lot of friends who refer their friends to come here and study as well. Also, please remember, you are going to be on holidays for 1 month in January. No classes. You have your booklets to do. So you must remember every week. You must come and give teacher your booklet and take the notes. She can help you. She is here. Okay? Call your teacher, tell your teacher I want to speak to teacher Ange, and she will make an appointment and you can come and see her. We are all here for you. Okay? You are important to us, we are here for you. Okay? So I want you to enjoy your holidays. Do a bit of work so that you don't forget. Stay safe if you are traveling. And Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays.
And also, I would like to thank each one of you bringing delicious food. Always you have been very generous. Your money, your hard work. Thank you so much for each one of you and your drinks. Okay. Food hygiene. When you are serving, please use the spoon. Please don't put your hand. Okay. And eat as much as you can. And when everyone finished, you can pack away. Okay. First eat. Let other people do it. Use the spoon and tongs. Then good. Enjoy.
Let's go. Merry Christmas! Joy is falling from heaven. Go home. Merry Christmas!